Do you have tight hips? Use the mobility stick to release your hips. So step one, you're just going to pop the stick beside your hip, bring it underneath your knee, and then wrap your foot around, drop the knee down, and pull the handle. So it's going to be quite an intense internal rotation, and you'll feel it right up in the hip joint there. So what it does is it's going to stretch out all of these little ligaments and connective tissue that sits right around the ball and socket joint, and that's going to help it slide and glide a lot nicer and improve your range. So precautions on any mobilization technique similar to this is you don't want to be doing it all the time every day. Use your stretches still, but this is just to get that little bit of extra range that you might be wanting. This is Nancy Jane, your local myotherapist. If you found this video helpful, please like and share it, and I will catch you on the next one.